This video for educational purposes. Do not use this for illegal activity. So, how hackers catch your IP address? This method is super old, but a lot of hackers are still using this method to target and find the victims randomly or when they target a specific person. First of all, you need to navigate to Google and type Grabify, hit enter, and go to the first URL. They use here kind of social engineering, and they know what the target into. Something as relatable. If the person into cars, you will find a picture of cars. If the person into games, you will find any picture of games. Anything that person will click. Let me show you. Go to Google and just select any picture that victim will click and copy link. Then go to back to the Grabify, paste the URL here of the picture and create URL. Then I agree. It's analysis and calculate the information. Just here the original URL that we copied from Google and the new URL. You can also generate and other links, short links, to make it look like normal. And I left a video here on my channel to show you how to extract short URLs and to know if there's infected URL or not. But I'm not going to use this method. I'm just going directly to copy this link to show you the information. Now we will open browser from a phone target. We will paste the URL here. Now it's loading. No activity has been logged yet, but when we just reload the page, here is the IP victim and user agent and Linux Android 9, the IP of the victim, the Egypt, and everything is a country, the IP provider, time, date, and user agent. When we click here, operating system Android 9, device, the type of the device is Samsung Galaxy Ultra 5G, and the user agent, and the host name, and the ISP provider of the internet company, and the country too, and the IP address of the victim. Everything you need to know to hack this device. I hope you find this video was useful, and before ending this video, I wanna thank you guys for supporting me, watching me, and it makes me continue and makes me work hard. Don't make others fool you just using these silly tricks and hack your information. I hope you find this video useful and tell me in comment if you got any hacked before.